guys, welcome and welcome back to another video with Legit Colleen. So today I'll be showing you guys the best widgets to have on your iPhone with this new iOS 14 update. And I love these widgets, even though they can be time consuming to make. They're so essential and helpful. So first up is gonna be a game, which is the dinosaur game. If you ever had your internet or Wi-Fi just go off, you know what the dinosaur game is. So you just want to go and search up Steve on the App Store. So you see here we have Steve, and you just want to download that and click open. So basically it's here, and I have it downloaded on my phone right there. You want to go to your last you want to go to your last screen over here, click edit. Once you click edit, you can either click customize or the plus sign up there, and then you want to look for Steve. So now I have Steve added and I got to play. So if you're ever like bored, or if your phone is even dying and you want to play a game because you're bored but you don't want to run your battery too quickly, you can just easily use this widget to play. The next one we got, which is many people's favorite app, is TikTok. So as you know, TikTok is where you can watch videos, laugh, learn stuff, everything. So if you don't have TikTok downloaded, and you need to have it downloaded for this next widget. So we're gonna go back to the same place we went before, click edit, customize, and I'm gonna add TikTok this time. But the great thing about this one is you can instantly go to TikTok, and it will basically bring up videos on your For You page, or even videos that you've watched, but just to have a good look back on. So basically I forgot to pause the TikTok here, so I was just saying that it changes all the time. When you click on it, you'll get a new video every time. So this is just an example of it. It took a while to change, but you guys saw that. So that's basically the TikTok widget. If you didn't know about that before, now you know. It's okay. The next widget that you must have is obviously WidgetSmith. And WidgetSmith lets you put pictures on your home screen, such as this one that says hustle, and these pictures right here. And the next one you should have is color widgets, which is right here, this app right here. And this is for your calendar, and you could either make it a calendar, date, time, battery. It's up to you, honestly. The next widget everyone should have is the motivation app. I spelled that wrong, but motivation app. And this specific app right here, the one with the two quote with the quote sign on it, and this is gonna give you positive reminders throughout the day. It is so beneficial to help you out, just to get motivated during the day, or just to cheer you up. And this is mine right here. And when you have the app, you can basically choose what you want to get quotes on, such as inspiration, actual motivation, love, Christ. There's so many that you can choose from. And preview right now, even though my phone is dying. So this, you could pick your themes, how it looks like in the background, and you can also get reminders throughout the day. So I put 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. They can send me through 3 quotes. So that's what mine is, because I want too many. You can pick your mix if you want some about being depressed, sad, letting go, or appreciation, of affirmations, success, perseverance, self-esteem, wisdom, friendship, working out, self-development. It's just to help you overall. So I totally recommend getting that, just to even have. You don't have to be constantly looking at it. It's just gonna come. And another widget that you must have is the Shopify or Apple Music widget. So I have my Spotify app downloaded, and I have this app also downloaded called TuneTrack. And basically this is the home screen, and to sign in into your Apple Music or your Spotify, you come to music services right here and you sign in, and it will basically open it, authorizing that's able to use it. And I'm just gonna agree. I'm showing you guys the process. So it will come on like that, and then once that happens, you can just go to your home screen, click on the home screen, plus on the top, go to TuneTrack, and if you have iTunes, you pick this one. If you have Spotify, you pick this one. And basically it will be playing the song that you are listening to. And the side note about this app is that it's not going to always refresh it in case like you change the song to something else perhaps. I'm gonna turn on the music because copyright. But so somehow while I was doing this, the song actually did end up playing. So I'm just gonna show you guys that this will not show when your song changes. So you have to go to the app, then go to the settings and scroll down. Then you want to select refresh widgets. So now when you go out and go look at the widget, it has changed to the song you're currently listening to. So just have that in mind if you guys ever are using this or gonna download it. And I just want to say, if you guys have any more video ideas you want to learn, please leave a comment in the comments down below. Ask your questions, I answer all of them. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. When I post a new video, you'll be notified because I have so much more content coming out. Thank you so much for all the views and comments and love on my how to change your app icons video. I'm very thankful for all of you, and I appreciate all of you so much, and I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.